Assalamu alaikum viewers, this is Atif Rahman with another episode of Twin Cooking on Twin TV. As you know, we are doing a lot of Ramadan special dishes, and today we are learning another beverage to use during iftar time, or you can even have it in the morning for sehri. It is a strawberry banana milkshake. So come on in and let's see the ingredients. Alright viewers, so to start off we will just need 1 glass of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, about 3 to 4 ice cubes, and I've cut about 2 medium-sized bananas into small pieces, and I've taken about 7 strawberries cut into small pieces. And now we will start mixing them. So we'll start off with the milk. You got your sugar, the ice cubes, and then lastly we will add the fruit. Just slowly add it in. And now we'll just mix it up. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And here we go. So it's all ready. Now let's pour it into our glass. And here you go viewers, your very delicious and easily made strawberry banana milkshake. Again, it's a very good recipe, especially for Ramadan. As you know, it's extremely, sometimes it's very hot, or just overall you lose a lot of energy throughout the day. So this is a perfect beverage for that. If you have tried it, please let us know in the comments below, and remember us, the Twin TV team, in your prayers in this Ramadan. Inshallah, we'll see you again in our next video. Until then, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Atif Rahman, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share it with everyone you know. Plus, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and press the bell icon button so you can get up-to-dates on all of our new videos every single day. I can't wait to see you next time on my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.